Hello students, welcome to the third part of video lesson of lesson number 9. Name of the lesson, as you all know, story of early man. In the previous videos we have seen who were our ancestors, what was the life that they had, shelter, what kind of shelter they had, what was the food that they used to have, and in this particular video we are going to see the tools. So in the previous video I told you that we have seen in the lesson it is given that early humans, they ate wild plants, roots, you can see here, roots, seeds, fruits and nuts. So if they were eating roots, how they were able to take it out from the ground, from the soil? So at first, when they were not much sensible, when they did not have much knowledge, at that time they used their hands. Just like we have seen, they used their hands to dig the soil. And at this time, they were called food gatherers. And later on they started using wooden sticks, as you have seen in this photo, it's given here. Now moving further, the tools that they used. So now early men first used wooden sticks as their digging tools. First they used their hands, and later on they started using wooden sticks as their digging tools. These were used for digging out roots that could be eaten. As we know, in the earliest times, the early men, they used to eat the plants, roots, seeds, fruits and nuts. So to take out the roots from the soil, from the ground, at first they used their hands, and later on they started using wooden sticks. They also used bones as tools. They also used bones of dead animals. So the early men, they used wooden sticks also and bones of animals also as a tool to dig the soil. Moving further, many stone tools have also been found from the early men sites. What it is saying? It is saying that, as you all know, the archaeologists, they have found the sites which are believed to be the settlements, or you can say the place where they used to live, the early men used to live. They have found, the archaeologists have found, and they have also found the remains of the early men at some particular place where it is believed that they used to live there millions of years ago. So at that place they have found some tools also. So those tools are made of stones. Those tools are stone tools. Once early men learned to make stone tools, they started killing animals for their food. So just now you have seen in the previous part of this lesson, we have come to know that in the earliest times, the early men, they were food gatherers. They did not know how to hunt animals. The reason could be that they didn't have much knowledge about it, that they can feed on animals. And one of the most important thing is they could not hunt also. They did not have the sources to hunt those animals, the tools or weapons to hunt those animals. So at first They were food gatherers. They used their hands to dig the soil to take out the roots. Later on, they started using wooden sticks or the bones of animals. And much later, when they gained some knowledge, when they started to have some sense, they started to gain some more sense, they became more sensible, the early men, they started using stone tools. Yes, they started using stone tools, and with the help of those stone tools, they came to know that these tools were more effective than the wooden sticks or the bone ones. The stone tools, they were more effective as they were more strong and sharp. So they started hunting animals or killing animals, and hence the food gatherers now became hunter gatherers. So now they were not eating only the plants, roots, seeds, but they were also eating animals after killing them with the help of those stone tools. Later they started sharpening tools by rubbing one stone against another. They also learned to attach a sharp stone tool to a long piece of wood and make a spear. And slowly they also came to know that those stone tools, they can be sharpened with the help of what? With the help of another stone. They came to know that they can sharp those stone tools with the help of another tool, and they did it. They sharpened those stone tools, and what they did, they started making a spear. What is a spear? There is a word here, spear. The meaning of the spear you must be knowing, or in the book also it is given: a long wooden stick with a sharp or pointed end. A long wooden stick with a sharp or pointed end, which can be used for hunting animals. So how they made it? They sharpened those stone tools, and then they attached it to a long piece of wood. I hope you understood up to here. So now, moving further, they used these sharp stones and spears for hunting animals. And with the help of these sharp stones and spears, they were hunting. The hunting became easier for them with the help of these tools. They also made hammers and axe heads. You know what is the meaning of hammers? You must be having in your home. And what is the meaning of axe? You must if you are not having, you must have seen somewhere. What is axe? In Hindi we call it kulhadi. So the axe heads, the head of the axe, it was made of stones earlier. Since most of the tools at that time were made of stones, this period came to be known as the Stone Age. So now at this time, when they had gained this much of knowledge that they can use a stone as a weapon or making a tool, making an axe, spear, hammer, at this time, this age was called, what it was called? It was called the Stone Age. Why? Because of the use of stones. They were using stones in different ways, in making different kinds of tools. Just as we have seen, making hammers, axe heads and spears. So why it was called Stone Age, you have understood? So now, I hope you have understood from here up to here. I would like to tell you again, before going through this video, or at least after going through this video, whatever is possible for you, please go through the lesson first. Read it by yourself, try to find out the meaning, then you see the video, and then if there is any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section of this video, or you can send your question in the school app also. Now, this is for this particular video. Now about the test, I would like to tell you that you have to prepare, as I told you in the previous video also, you have to prepare the lesson number 1 and lesson number 2 of social studies. About the date of the test, it will be informed. I will inform you within a day or two. If possible, I will try to revise those 2 lessons in whichever possible way it will be possible. I will try to do it. So please take it very, very seriously and prepare for the test. So okay, now study well, take care of yourselves. Thank you.